gonna make a roasted vegetable salad. So it's gonna be a warm salad with roasted Brussels sprouts, roasted butternut squash, roasted red onions, and roasted apples. So this is a pretty quick, easy dish for service. I'm gonna take my already roasted vegetables, gonna add them to the pan, start to get them nice and warm. In my mixing bowl, I'm gonna take our dressing. It's a maple balsamic vinaigrette. I'm also gonna add some caramelized pecans to my salad. To my mixing bowl, I'm gonna add some feta cheese. Once my vegetables are warm, I'm just gonna mix the 3 ingredients together and serve. So I have a roasted vegetable salad.